welcome back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see all the latest information, and today we are going to talk about HP EliteBook 840. Yes. I'm talking about 8440 out here or 8440P out here, or talking about the HP EliteBook. We can say that HP EliteBook is really amazing variant out here because it offers you great range of differencing internal components. Design might look same, yes, EliteBook's design might look same, but there are n number of internal differences. Now these differences does not mean that it offers you a variance of difference, or we can say the entire difference out there. No, it means that very minor changes, and these minor changes have helped to upgrade themselves. Now, talking about this HP EliteBook out here, what kind of variants are these? If we talk about EliteBook series, then you would be wondering that what kind of sector use this version, because we know laptops are being used with every kind of a variant, whether it's a normal student life or corporate world or social life out there or a normal life. Every kind of a sector uses EliteBook series, and mostly laptops out there. But what happens, every gadget is designed looking at a particular sector out here, and HP EliteBook series was specially designed for the corporate sector. Now, this corporate sector includes every kind of sectors, whether it's an office work, it's small business, it's large business out here, international business, or the national, subnational, you can say subcontinent. Every kind of corporate world, the entire corporate or the business world is mainly designed. This gadget is mainly designed for this kind of a sector. Now, talking about the sectors, let us talk about this gadget, and specifically let us talk about this version. Before we talk about this version, then there are few things which HP EliteBook series always have. That is the Intel vPro technology. Yes, it mostly has Intel vPro technology. Along with that, it offers you TPM 1.2 security chip system. So you get to see this kind of a security chip system also. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then you get to see that this variant is offering you nothing else but a great chip system, processing, RAM, storage, everything is really amazing. So let us talk about each and every parameter out here. Talking about the parameters, let us first talk about the CPU system or the processor being used out here. Talking about the processor, it uses Intel Core i5. Yes, this uses Intel Core i5 out here, offering you 2.4 gigahertz clock speed, or you can say the speed out here, which is actually seen. That is 2.4 gigahertz. So Intel Core i5 is really a good variant, which can be said that is working very, very good out here. Apart from that, if you talk about the max turbo speed, because max turbo speed is also important, then it offers you 2.9 gigahertz. So we can say that max turbo speed and clock speed both are super amazing out there. As compared, if we check both the variants, then they are really amazing out here. You also get to see that it offers you a dual core processor out here. The number of cores, if you talk, then it has got dual core out here. Along with that, talking about the cache memory is an important part, because cache memory also helps to upgrade, or we can say have a great functional laptops out there. It offers you L3. Yes, the cache memory is offering you L3, that is 3 MB RAM out there, or the 3 MB storage, we can say, not the RAM, storage is 3 MB out here. So overall, we can say the cache memory is really good. Apart from that, if you talk about the Windows operating system, it offers a 64 bytes comprising Windows operating system in it. Apart from that, it offers you a great chip system, because processing does not alone mean that it is going to not offer you a different processor. It offers you a different processor also. And talking about the processing system, then it offers you Mobile Intel Express QM57. So offering you a good processor, offering you a great processing system out here. There are always some internal components, internal factors out there which are involved in every laptop. And now when we talk about this, then we have seen there are few laptops offering you only turbo speed or the cache memory, or you can say the auto memory speed out there. These kind of things could be seen. Whereas talking about this variant, talking about HP EliteBook, we can say that it offers you Intel Turbo Boost technology. Yes, this is offering you Intel Turbo Boost technology, which is really good, amazing version there. Whereas the install size, there is really a great install size, and the cache memory is also playing a very good role out there. Talking about this cache memory and everything, we cannot neglect out the RAM out here. So talking about the RAM, it offers you 4 GB internal installed RAM out here. The internal installed RAM is about 4 GB. So talking about this 4 GB RAM, we can say it is really good. When it is being offered in a DDR3 variant, it is being offered in DDR3 variant, and you get to see that it offers you a memory speed of 1333 megahertz, which is really great. मतलब इतनी अच्छी मेमोरी स्पीड आ रही है 1333 megahertz in DDR3 format. You get to have RAM type 4 GB installed RAM is there, so that is really good. But does it mean that it does not offer any maximum support? Yes, it offers you a maximum support out here. It offers you maximum support of 8 GB. Yes, 8 GB external RAM could be attached out here, not in one format, like it has got two slots out here. So you can have a slotted out there which offers you maximum support side of 8 GB. Talking about the support size and everything, we can say that the storage or the hard drive is also important part. Yes, talking about the hard drive, then we cannot neglect out what kind of hard drive it is offering, because RAM alone does not make our space out there. RAM alone does not help that. Now what happens is that hard drive comes in either HHD form or SSD form. So this is really interesting to see that it offers you HHD format hard drive. The storage is in HHD format, and we can say that it is offering you a capacity or the hard drive storage out of 250 GB. 250 GB is really a worth storage out there. As well as it offers you a great speed out here. If you talk about the spindle speed, if you talk about the rotation per minute speed or the processing speed out here, it offers you 7200 RPM. So this is really amazing, offering you 7200 RPM. But it does not mean that it will offer you all the optical drive technologies or not. It offers you DVD-ROM removable. That is, you can port it out. Yes, you can port it out, your external ROM out here, the DVD write-up, optical drive out there. It can be done out in that way. Whereas talking about this variant, we can say that just like we have seen a few gadgets in HP also, they are also involving, or the HP EliteBook series involves the environmental parameters. Now, what is this environmental parameter? This is nothing else. Environmental parameters clearly means that whatever the harsh condition it is, whatever the conditions are there, it will work very good, or it is still functional out here. Like there are times that gadgets cannot tolerate a particular temperature, or they cannot work in humidities out there. They cannot tolerate the shock tolerance out there. So there are factors which affect a gadget. Now talking about these environmental factors, HP has taken a care of it that their gadgets work in the humid conditions out there, not in very harsh conditions, but yes, they can provide you the maximum output or the optimization out there, even in the harsh conditions. Talking about the conditions like humidity, shock, intolerance to temperature, the intolerance to the windy or the cloudy out there, the humid range out there. So everything has to be checked. It offers you a great environmental support out here so that it works properly. Like it offers you 125 grams at 2 minutes per second, half sense pulse out there, which is being operating, whereas 200 grams is offered out in non-operating. So this is the difference out there. While you're operating, then it is definitely slightly low as compared to non-operating when you have kept it aside. That is because of the internal processing it is being offered, and it has to work in the harsh conditions out there. That is a shock treatment out given in this. Whereas it might work in humid range also, that is 10 to 90% of the best output it is giving. So there are many factors which affect our working on our PCs, laptops, and they have kept it in a record that it works in the harsh conditions also. Now they are working in harsh conditions, everything. So what kind of display does it have? Because looking at the display and working on it has an important role to play in our day-to-day lives. So it offers you LED backlight, offering you LED backlight with a great resolution, HD resolution, we can say, of 1366 into 768 out here. So HD resolution is being offered. Along with that, it offers you a widescreen display with anti-glance, as well as if you talk about the screen size, it offers you 35.6 centimeter screen size. So this is offering you a good screen size, good resolution outside, because this kind of screen size 35.6 centimeter is a good screen size with a LED backlight, anti-glance HD resolution display. So this is almost a very amazing thing to see. Talking about this variant, we can say that along with display, audio plays an important role. Talking about the audio quality, we can say that it offers you Intel HD graphics. Yes, offering you Intel HD graphics out there with because this graphics is very important and a very high demanding out here. Along with dynamic video memory technology 5 with integrated webcam and stereotype speakers and stereotype microphones inbuilt in it. So these are the factors which can be seen in this variant along with this. Apart from that, it offers you a keyboard with touchpad out here, as well as point stick out could be seen out there. Spill resistance are also seen in this variant out. You can see the spill resistance in the technology or the keyboards out there. Talking about the keyboard gadget out here, we can say the communication is also an important part, because what kind of connectivity it has. It offers you a great Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and disk level connectivity out there. That is the optical drive, DVD drive out there. As well as it offers you a very interesting thing that it is portable out there. It is very portable. But there are very few gadgets which can be compact or which can be compatible with the fax machines out there. So it has got a fax compatibility also. Floppy disk is not seen, that is the permanent attached drive, it is not seen out there. You get to see USB drives out there, card reader drives out there, audio input output jack, power jacks out there. These kind of things could be seen in this variant. Apart from that, if you talk about the battery life, then it offers you 6 cell battery life. Yes, it is offering you a 6 cell battery life with a capacity of 55 volts. 55 volts is really good out here. This is a combination of lithium and iron out there. Lithium ions out there, and we can say that it offers you a rough run time which is slightly lower actually as compared to HP Elite series. We can say that this is slightly low. It offers you 6 to 7 hours work timing. Yes, it offers you 6 to 7 hours work timing out here. Whereas you get to see that there are few things which are not seen in the other things. That is the display VGA port out here. You get to see an express card out here. You also get to see that this variant is offering you few inbuilt apps in it. Inbuilt apps की बात करें, if you talk about the inbuilt apps, it has a pre-boot security app, drive guard app, night app out here, which are from HP itself. Split resistance, the system password out here, the fair key resistance out there. These kind of things could be seen in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that there are few softwares from Microsoft which have been pre-loaded out here, or we can say pre-installed out in this version. You get to see pre-installed few images, few documents, or few apps out there from Microsoft itself. So this is what happens in this variant. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also, because pricing plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about the pricing, let us visit this site. The name of the site is justatclick.com. As the site name is justatclick.com. which offers you a great range of pricing, great range of gadgets out there. All the gadgets in your pocketable rates. So let us talk about this gadget out here. And talking about this gadget, let us search this gadget in this search icon, which helps us to check our gadget in a very limited form. And since we are talking about 8440p out here, so let us search this. The best part about this site is actually it offers you customizability option. Yes, there is an option which is called customizability. So you get to have a customizability option also, which you can customize your gadgets accordingly. And now the result for our search is here, which is offered with a bag free. You get to have a bag free out here. Along with that, it offers you a small description at the top and a very small description at the bottom also. Talking about this description out here, it has a product condition out there. The product type condition is written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and what are the refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products, as we know that refurbished word, this word itself means creating something new like. Yes, this word means creating something new like, or from the old things or the distorted things, we can create something absolutely new like, brand new like as it was earlier. Now, what does this refurbished and brand new product majorly differs out, or we can say, does there is any difference in the structurality, functionalities out there? No, there is no difference in the structurality out here. There is no difference in the functionality. Everything remains constant out here. You will find that the structure, the design, everything is same. Whereas if you talk about the functionality difference, there is no difference in the functionality. They offer you the same function as they offered when they were brand new. And in fact, they are quite good that they have been repolished out, they are polished again, and they are created newly like. So this is what all refurbished is about. Now there is a major difference that refurbished and brand new products offers out. There is a major difference, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Pre-ownization is nothing else but a gadget being pre-owned, which has been once used. This is what there is a major difference out there lies. Now, when we talk about brand new products, they are directly from the company into the market. So there has to be no doubt that it can be pre-owned or has been used once. No, there is no as such thing involved in this. But when we talk about refurbished products, then there is something related to this. Refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets which are resold by the original users. Yes, they are being resold out so that it can be reused or another person can use it. That is what a product is called refurbished. This refurbished does not mean that it is not being tested or it can be damaged out. It is not like that. It is something related to the testimoniality. Now, talking about the testimoniality, let us first talk about the passage, how it is taken out in the market. Talking about the passage, there comes the base, mediator, and the consumer. Base is nothing else but the person or the company which owns that gadget first. Every brand new product is owned by the company itself, as we already know. That company owns that gadget. Now the company wants to bring that gadget into the marketplace, that is the mediator, and wants to sell it to the users. Then it has to be brought in the marketplace. Now this marketplace is nothing else but the sites, online, offline sites, everywhere where you get to purchase or have your gadgets from. Now when you have your gadgets, when you take your gadgets, then it is sold off to the users by the market owners. Now this is what happens out in the market. This is for the brand new product. Now what happens in the refurbished product? You have your gadget, you have used that gadget. Now you want to not use it and you want to resell it. Now what you will do? Then it is being resold to the marketplace. Now this user in the brand new becomes the companion or the base, or you can say the pre-owner of that gadget. Yes, this becomes the owner of that gadget. Now what happens? This wants to resell, then it is brought in the marketplace. That has to be tested and verified. Everything has to be done. Now it is being resold to the users. That is the new user out here that is being resold. Now when we talk about this marketplace, testimoniality, pre-ownization, what is the major difference out here? The major difference lies in the test place. Yes, the major difference lies in the test place out here. How companies before launching any gadget in the market has to test every particular gadget out there, every single test. Then it is brought into the market out there. Whereas in marketplace, what happens that gadget is being pre-owned. When it is brought in the market for reselling, that has to be tested at that time before launching it into that particular site. Now this lies the difference out here, another difference out there. Companies, the original brand new products are tested out on various sites out there. There are particular sites where each and every parameter are checked, like whether design, battery, connectivity, integrity, everything has to be checked out. Whereas in refurbished products, the site itself checks that product, verifies that product, and launches on their own site. This is what the major difference in the testing place lies. Now, when we talk about the test has been done, the marketplace is being used, it is sold off to the user. What are these tests involving? What kind of parameters are involved? What kind of things have been involved in this test parameters? The place is different, so what kind of tests are there? These tests are nothing else but they are the same tests which are used in the brand new products. Yes, the products which are used or the parameters which have been used in brand new are the parameters used out in the, we can say, refurbished. These parameters include the external and internal parameters. The external parameters includes nothing else but the parameters like display, design, scratches, buttons intactness, jack points out there, touchpad if it has, touch screen if it has, integrated camera, so camera quality out there, everything has to be checked, like externally, which you can see or check through your eyes, which does not require any kind of external equipment, you can say, or any external device or any kind of software is not required. So external parameters are those. And after you check the external parameters, it comes to the internal parameters. These internal parameters are nothing else, but these internal parameters includes all the internal components like the CPU, processor, chip system out there, memory storage, yes, the internal storage, RAM storage, cache storage out there, speed of RAM, spindle speed out there, processing speed out there, graphical paths, graphical speed, as well as the connectivity out there, the resolution out there, or even the if it has anti-glance, then that has to be checked. If it had HD display, then that has to be checked. Resolutions in every aspect it has to check. If it is offering you data connectivity, then what kind of connectivity is there? Bluetooth connectivity, then what kind of Bluetooth connectivity? Power backup out there, battery life has to be checked. So everything has to be checked, which needs uh, any specialized software or equipments to verify that particular segment or that particular element out there. So that has to be used. Now, once that product is verified, external and internal parameters have been checked. It is certified as a refurbished product because now it is in good quality. It offers you good service. It can be offered to be reused. Yes, this offers a good service, so it can be reused. But what would happen if it fails in any one test or there is any damage in it? It has to be replaced. Yes, that has to be replaced. Now, once it is replaced, it is not with any unknown part or from any fake parts out there. It has to be replaced with the original parts from the company itself, along with the accessories it provides. Yes, every gadget is provided with the accessories out there. Along with that, if you see any visible damage out there, that has to be rechecked and has to be verified and has to be corrected. If you see there is any scratch out there, that has to be checked and verified and has to be repolished. So every single point has to be checked so that it becomes absolutely brand new like. So this is the major thing which involves in this, that it has to be verified and modified into a brand new product if there is any damage out there. Now there has Means some advantages, there must be some advantages that we are using refurbished products over brand new. The major advantages of having a refurbished product or the benefits are that it offers you pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. What does this mean? It means that brand new products are slightly expensive. Yes, you get to see that there are slightly high pricing for brand new products, whereas the refurbished products are actually quite pocketable, or we can say they are less expensive as compared to brand new. This comes to the second point, which allows us to save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great savings when you have a refurbished product. What happens is, when you have a refurbished product, then you can save a good amount of savings, because there is a difference in the pricing. There's a difference in the price difference. Helps us to know that what kind of things you can use. If you can have that gadget in a refurbished condition, in a less price, in a pocket friendly price, then you can definitely have that brand new product in a refurbished form, or you can say in a refurbished format. But yes, the brand new product offers you 1 year warranty. There is a 1 year warranty out here along with exchange policy. But in pre-owned phones, in pre-owned gadgets, what happens? We do not get to have a warranty period along with it. Yes, mostly what happens when we buy any pre-owned gadgets from some sites, we do not get to have a warranty period. But yes, if you have a condition in it, yes, if you have a condition named or written as refurbished, certified refurbished, any of them, then you get to have 6 months warranty period along with 7 exchange policy. So you get to have these two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. If you're worried that pre-owned phones might not be good, but here you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy with it. Apart from that, if you talk about this refurbished products, then they are absolutely brand new, like absolutely same structure, functionally, and they provide you the same tests out there. Now let us go back to the site and check about the website once again. And we were talking at this site, that is just at click.com. Just at click.com, the name itself suggests just at a click. Yes, you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets now. This site offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Very pocket friendly rates, very great rating out there. Apart from that, you get to see a number of gadgets from your reputed and favorite brands actually. Apart from that, here it is actually a very hassle free shopping, you can say. Hassle free, like there is no rush out there because it's an online shopping site, so you can definitely have this online shopping site. COD is available on this site along with overall UAE parts. Yes, overall UAE parts की बात करें, overall UAE की बात करें या कहीं की बात करें, COD is available out here. Along with that, you get to have free shipping out there. Free shipping, that is free home delivery out here. This free shipping means that it takes approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi might take up to a week. It might vary according to another factor which I'm going to discuss. That is customizability option. This site offers you customizability option which helps us to customize our gadget. Uh, Customizability mainly includes the RAM, hard disk storage customizability, or the inbuilt internal parts, if it can, like processing, it can customize, which are already customized by the company itself. So you can customize your gadget accordingly. Apart from that, money back guarantee and online support system for 27 hours is there. So you can definitely check out the website. Link is given in the description box, or you can check out Google and type just at click.com. Apart from that, this site offers you best pricing for your gadgets. So do visit out the website for your favorite gadgets. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and till then, bye.